Hey everyone, it's Matt back with another video for you today in my little 3D print shop. Doing it a little bit different this time. I'm showing my face. I know I haven't done that in the last few. I figure if only 10 people are watching, who cares if you see my face anyways. But yeah, I've got going on today. I have, I'll show you, just finished up some of these little animals here. I'm trying to get 10 to 15 of like 15, I think, different designs and minis I have that I'm gonna have that I want to lay out on my table for the events coming up. And then on the other printer here, I am printing some mounts so that I can finally get my multi-board set up. I'm gonna start mounting that this week. So I'm gonna do this whole wall here, from like here over to about here. And then up to the top. I'm not going to go all the way to the ceiling yet. Eventually I will. I'm doing 8x8 grids. And then eventually up on this section here, I haven't measured it yet. It won't have to be the 8x8. I think it'll maybe be 8x6. I don't know. It might be 8x8 actually, because there's going to be some unused space under here, which is my, just where the vents run for our heat and AC and everything. The little table set up here with just some of the stuff I'm going to sell, some stuff I'm going to give away, just some stuff I've been testing out. I set it up here, and my daughter comes down and looks, and she thinks she's shopping or something and picks out some stuff she wants to play with. But yeah, as you can see, I've got that, and then it's a mess. I've got my magnets, I've got keychains and stuff. That's why I'm setting up the multi-board stuff to get that hung up so it's not all in my work area. I have a couple of new filaments that just came in today. I have the Ziltech here. Ziltech, not sure. That came in, and then I got another Sovol rainbow that I really liked. I used that on some of the animals. I think this was a Sovol that I used on this little chameleon that I printed. So I got a different shade of that rainbow silk that I'm going to try out. I've got just some open bags here I have to clean up. Like in my last video, I've always got film just everywhere. So I'm going to go through and weigh that out, update my spreadsheet. Actually, the last few nights I've been putting together a new spreadsheet to kind of price things. I kind of simplified it. I've watched a couple of other YouTube videos on how other people are pricing things that are kind of similar scale to me, and it was way too complicated. So I kind of simplified. I'm not really going to worry about print time. I'm going to build in just like $1.50. I think I have it in there as to every print instead of calculating out by the minute and stuff, because it's really not worth it. My electricity is a little more expensive here than some places, but it's still not going to matter if I just charge like a blanket $1.50. That's going to cover anything under a 24-hour print. I think I figured it would be like a 30-hour print wouldn't even cost me $1.50 in electricity. So that'll build in the cost of the electric, some of the extra time spent for me setting up plates and stuff, and then for anything that's more involved, I built in some drop-down tabs in Excel. Actually, Google Sheets that I choose the mailer, the different boxes I use. I use the two size mailers here, and then I've got 3 different box sizes down there. So just a drop down, and it'll figure in the price there. And then I set it up with drop downs. Anything that uses a magnet or a keychain or a tea light, it'll automatically add my cost into there and figure it, and then I do my multiplication and get my prices that way. But yeah, that's what I've been up to the last couple of days. Today I'm gonna just clean up while these prints run. I gotta clean up these little mini dragons that I had finished up there. A couple of these little clickers I've been using just to use my, so I'm not flushing as much, just doing these little random multicolor clickers there. And I'll throw those out on a table for like $1.50 or something. They cost nothing to make. It would just be waste anyways. I've got like a dozen of them. I'm just going to do it anytime I have filament being flush. I'm just going to start printing those. Even if I just give them away to people. I know you'll have sometimes at events, kids will come up and they don't have money, or the parents don't want to spend money, and I'll toss them one of those if the parent says it's okay. Something for them to play with. I know it drives my wife crazy, but I love these things. I sit there at my desk all day while I'm working and click them. But yeah, that's all I've got going on right now. I'm going to do some cleanup. I might set up and just do like a time lapse of the cleanup. I have only got my phone to record. So I don't have the, the best setup for a way to record it and kind of show everything in a time lapse, like some of the people I like to watch do. But I'll see if I can get some footage together of that. If not, I'll just post this with this little update. Tonight I have to go through and set up all my prints for probably the next day or two, just so I have to get more efficient with starting a print, and I want to start planning them out ahead of time, because I've got the extra build plates. I've got 4 extra build plates, so there's really no need for me to wait for a print to finish. I should just have it all queued up. I can grab a finished plate, toss a new one on, and keep things moving, because I'm down to like 3 weeks until my next event. And then I've got back-to-back events on a Saturday, Sunday, and then the following Saturday, another event. So I'm going to have 8 kind of Valentine's Day themed events coming up, all within 8 days. So I'll be pretty busy. And then, of course, my Etsy orders coming in. I'm still getting like usually 1 a day, sometimes 2 or 3 a day, sometimes nothing. Yeah, that's what I got for you guys today. If you like this kind of a different style with my face, because everyone else doing these videos does the face, not kind of the faceless YouTube type thing. If my wife finds the channel, she doesn't know about it yet, she's gonna give me a hard time and say no one wants to see my face on YouTube. But it is what it is. If you like this kind of video, if you want to see more, if you have questions for me or anything you want to see from me, I know I follow a ton of people who do content on this stuff that are a million times more interesting and further along than I am. So I'm just trying to learn from them. I'm starting to get the Etsy and the business side kind of figured out. So the YouTube stuff is really new to me. I've worked in finance and numbers and all that kind of stuff for years. But yeah, the YouTube video and being on a camera is the biggest challenge for me when it comes to that stuff. But yeah, let me know if you like this, what else you want to see, and like and subscribe so that you see the next video that I post. And I will see you guys later. Thanks. Bye. Alright, it's everything cleaned up. I've got some music playing that I was listening to while I clean, so if that's too loud, I'll probably have to cut this into a voiceover so I don't get muted by YouTube, although it's like late 90s, early 2000s emo, so I don't know if anyone would even be looking to get a copyright on it. But yeah, thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see my next one. Let me know in the comments what you think of the setup and of the videos, if you want me to go back to, so you don't have to see my face, or if I should keep doing them like this. And let me know what else you want me to talk about. Thanks, guys. Bye.